Hi folks, today we're going to learn how to do drawings on Fusion 360. So this looks very familiar. This is the first problem from activity 7.1. I already drew it up in Fusion. You may need to do that. So to create a drawing, come up to File, come up to New Drawing, and then you're going to say From Design. Okay, so it automatically highlights whatever you're going to design there for what you have. Then go OK. Give it a little time here. There is your page, your drawing page. So then I'm going to place the front view right there. Okay. Then I'm going to come up here and do projected view. So to do that, I first have to highlight the parent view, which is this one. And then I'm going to move up. Then I'm going to move directly to the right. And then I'm going to go at like a 45-degree angle to put the isometric one on there. Click it. And then right click and go OK. And there you should have your three views along with your isometric. The isometric one doesn't look too good. We usually shade that in. So you can highlight it, right click it, and go to Edit View. And over here in Style, if you click on Shaded, that will shade that in for you. Okay, and then close out of there. So that looks pretty good to be able to do that. Let me make that a little bit bigger. Okay, so whatever you titled your three-dimensional object is what shows up in the title down here. I called it 7.1.1, which is number 1 of 7.1. Okay? Now, to dimension, you can click on a dimensioning tab right here, and we want to go from this side to this side, and then bring it straight on up. Okay? Right-click and go OK, and that will place that view there. Okay? Click Dimension, go from there to there, right-click and say OK. And then we want to go, now again, is choosing those, so then I have to go back up to dimension and click from here to here. And then bring it over and say OK. Now this one's a little bit different. It didn't fit in between there too well. You'll have to play with it to see if you can do it any better. I don't know if I could take that and move it down. Wouldn't let me. Nope, not going to let me. Okay. And now on this one, if we want to do datum, we got everything from the bottom coming up. Okay. We'll have everything from the left going to the right. So I have the overall dimension. Okay. I might want to sneak in this dimension right here from that corner to that corner. Put it right there. Go OK. Okay. Now I still need a third dimension to know how far this one is. Now I can't go from the right back to the left because that's not datum dimensioning. Okay, datum means you're starting all on the one side. Okay, to be able to do that. So I'm going to hit my dimension button and go from, I'm going to go from the middle here to right here and bring it down. So be careful when you click on these and what you're highlighting when you do them. Okay, and then we can go from the forward back. Okay, and this one we would need to go from the left side to the right side. So if I do this left one, I would need this one to this one. I would need to do another one from that corner to that corner and bring it up here. And if you want an overall, which you do need to do, you would need to go from this corner to that corner and bring it up like that. Okay, so these would all be datum because they all start on the left side. All of these start on the left side. Okay, what about this one? Would we need to put something in for that one? Yes, we would. So let's start at the bottom, click on dimensions, click here, get one, Click here.